Welcome to Prep Edge USA, your daily brain boost. Today we've got 15 rapid-fire questions, each with 4 choices and just 10 seconds to answer. Think fast, play smart, and pause if you need more time. Let's find out how sharp you really are. Ready? Let's jump in. Boom! What US president had a pet alligator in the White House? B. John Quincy Adams. Which state has the most volcanoes in the US? C. Alaska. What was the first product ever sold on Amazon? C. A book. Which fast food chain was originally called Instaburger King? C. Burger King. Which US state has its own official flavor? B. Vermont. What is the smallest US state by land area? B. Rhode Island. What US holiday marks the unofficial end of summer? C. Labor Day. Which city is known as the City of Brotherly Love? C. Philadelphia. Which US president is on the $50 bill? B. Ulysses S. Grant. What US state has the most lakes? D. Alaska.